50, 100, 500, 1,000. Matrabaho kayo. Joke lang. Get ready. Start na natin. Paano? Hindi natin patagalito. Dito ka, partner. Get ready. Ako na bahala dyan. Bilisan mo. Dito ka.
One, and open your eyes. One. Ready? Say happy birthday, Cheng Cheng. Ready? Clap your hands.
Cause you feel it, feeling. It's fire, it's freedom, it's time. It's all on. Do you wanna go? Where
Okay, no kids, what color? Medyo madilim, no? What color?
Yung color daw yung view.
Okay, so say happy birthday, Cheng Cheng. And blue. What color? This one.
Blue.
And this one. And last one. And
Yeah, anong color daw?
Yes, very nice. Ready? How many colors? What color? And this one. And next one. And last one. Say the magic word. Very good. Clap your hands. Ready? Here we go. Come on, kids. Ready? One. And. Support. Anong gusto nyo lumabas? Bird or rabbit? Okay, sabihin na bird. Sabihin na bird. Bird na lang. Okay, ready? Say bird. Okay, say bird. Okay, come on, bird, no? Bird.
bird. Say bird. I know. Okay, say bird. Ready, sige, patutog ka.
Ito na pinaka-best part, kids. Kailangan ko ng lalaki, sino pwede eh. Tutulungan ako mag-magic. Nakakita na ba kayo ng pugot na ulo? Hindi pa ngayon, makakakita kayo ng pugot na ulo. Sino? Sino? Ayun. Okay, sino? Sino lalaki? Hindi ka handsome boy. Sino pwede lalaki? Okay, ayun. Tara dito. Ay, pala. Ito pala. Sir, okay lang po. Tara dito kaya. Dali. Bibigyan kayo ng prize. Tutulungan mo lang. Ito pala. Kanina pa pala. Tuloy ko pa. Dali mo. Dali. Ang pangalan lang? Dian, tara dito. Ano pa ito? Mabigla ka sa pakay. Dian, tara dito. Ayaw na, bata. Huwag na. Baka sa pakay ka dyan. Bahala ka. Okay, kailangan ko na lalaki. Sino pwede? Tutulungan ako mag-magic. Bibigyan ko ng prize. Sino? Ito? Ito daw. Ito na dito. Dito na, joke lang yun. Joke lang yun pala dito. Naka-shades ka naman eh. Napakagwapo naman ito. Naka-shades. Okay, get ready. Tanggol, tingin ka doon. Okay. Kilala mo yung may birthday? Sabi mo, Cheng, happy birthday. I love you. Okay, tutulungan mo ako mag-magic, okay lang? Kailangan gusto ko energetic, no? Kung ano lahat na gagawin ko, gagayahin mo ko. Ganun ka. Ano pangalan mo? Ano? Ganun ka. Yahin mo sa kaliwa. Dalawang kamay. After nito, bibigyan kita ng prize. So, kinagay mo dito.
Tapos kanan. Dito. Para gumana yung magic, tempo.
Ayaw niya ng prize. So, sino pwede? May gusto ko lalaki. You! Oh, come on. Oh my goodness! English speaking, yeah. Come on, baby boy. Here we go, come here. Are you ready to do some magic? Hey, what's up? Hey, are you sleeping now? Come on, baby. You want to press again? Okay, wow, very nice. Okay, mapapalapan na naman tayo dito. Come on, get ready. Now, come on, so pour it down there. Put it down there. Yes, very nice. And go there. Ano ba ito? Zombie ba ito? Parang zombie. Dito ka. Good. Okay, get ready. Up your head. Yes. Ano ba yan? Zombie nga ito. Are you ready to learn to send magic? Sagot. Are you ready to learn to send magic? Okay, you just follow me, okay? Okay, so you want to press again? Are you ready? What's your name again? What's your name again? What? Ayaw na makausap ito. Okay. Get. Hold your hands. Okay, and one more, the other side. Yes, get ready. You just follow me, okay? Look at me, kiss me. Okay, get ready. Okay, so just wait, okay? Ready? Here we go, like this. You just follow me. Say, ooh. Come on. Say, ooh. And like this. Tum sahur. Okay, get ready. Are you ready? You just follow me, okay? After that, so I will give a prize, right? Now get ready. Everybody clap your hands for Kuya. Now get ready. 1, 2, 3, and you just stay there, okay? You just follow me, right? Okay, come on, sing. Get ready. Come on.
pusa papasok ka. Okay, down. Hoy! Bakit mo bilang natin?
Ang hirap pala turuan doon. Sino ba magulang ikaw, guys? Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Is that you, mommy? Mommy, ikaw na lang. Galing mo. Joke lang. So everybody clap your hands for Kuya. Palakpakan natin. So Kuya, get your prize, oh. Oh, get your prize. Come here. Come here. Okay. Meow.
Papalitan natin, mami.
You want more kids? You want more? You want more? Say happy birthday, Chang Chang. What color is this? Right, get ready. Play the music. Here we go. Watch kids ready. Come on. Okay, ready?
What's going on?
Stop. Ang hirap maghanap buhay na.
Sakit?
Sino pa ba?
Sakit?
Ayoko na. Okay. Say happy birthday, Cheng Cheng. Yes, by the way, all the kids, thank you so much. I hope na mag-enjoy kayo sa magic. So once again, start natin yung 7 traditional ni Cheng Cheng. Cheng Cheng, are you ready? Okay, so please stand up. Okay, get ready. Continue with the team of 7. We have 16 games. Get ready, partner. Get ready. Play that music. So, pasok ako nito, partner. Thank you. Mga gamit. Thank you so much. Ready.
Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up, dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, destiny.
Get ready. Continue with the team of 7. We have 7 gifts. We have 7 wishes, 7 blessings, 7 roses. Let's start with 7 gifts. Get ready, kids. Tatawagin kayo. Sabi ko kanina, di ba tinawag ko ng mga pangalan? Ulitin na natin. Get ready. First gifts, we have Nina Kylie. Nasa si Nina Kylie, please stand up. Nina Kylie and Jeffriol. Come here, please stand up. Brianna May. Where's Brianna May? And Ayana Jake. Yes, tawagin na natin sa isa. Cassie, where's Cassie? Wala pa ba si Cassie? Wala pa. Abu Jean. Abu Jean. Come here. Okay, ready. Start natin yung 7 gifts, okay? Kapag ganito, kids, kapag maganda yung wish nyo kay Cheng Cheng, and of course, we have a prize, okay? Get ready. First gifts, we have Nina Kylie. Birthday wish, pwede kang umiyak.
Happy birthday, Cheng Cheng. Sana libre ka rin yun.
Ano daw? Bakit ang ano?
Clap your hands.
Ay, hindi na makikita. Paano ko talaga?
Yes, thank you so much, Kylie. And next, we have Jeffriol. Jeffriol. Come on, dear. Birthday wish. Everybody clap your hands for Jeffriol. Thank you. Thank you so much. And next we have Brianna May. Where's Brianna May?
Thank you po.
Okay, Brianna May, come here. Yes, nandito ba si Brianna May? Ito na siya. Wow, naging lalaki na. Thank you so much. Ito, Proxy. Birthday wish ka kay Cheng Cheng. Okay, thank you so much. Brianna May, Proxy. And next we have Aliana J. Nasaan si Aliana? Ready. Oh, hindi ganda naman wish nila pare-parehas. Thank you. Abo, picture, thank you. And next we have Cassie. Wala si Cassie. And last 7 gifts, we have Abu Jing. Hindi siya strict na salita. Everybody clap your hands. Palakpakan natin si Abu Jing. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much, 7 gifts. Get ready. Continue with the team of 7. We have 7 wishes. Itong 7 wishes siguro mga matatanda pa itong mga bata pa rin. Oh, get ready. Tawagin na natin sa isa. We have Sophia. And Raylance. Wala si Raylance, ma'am? Raylance. And next we have 3rd wishes. Ate Step. Ate Step? Sino ba? Raylan Allen. Aren. Okay, come on, please stand up, kuya. Thank you so much. Yes, and next we have Arkisha. Get ready, we have Arkisha. Nasa si Arkisha? Please stand up. And Ate Step. Ate Step na dito na? Where's Ate Step? Okay, thank you so much. And next, Ate Kat Kat.
Proxy ka na lang.
Yes, nandito ba si Ate Kat Kat? Thank you so much.
Pauling sit down nung kasi nabigyan. Sit down ka nung magagalit yung kasi gagawin ka mo. Kasi ate na ma-behave lang.
Ate Kat Kat nandito na?
Tinawag lang, tinawag.
Okay, so next we have Ate Janine. And of course,
Wala na dyan eh.
and Flor, ito na po, tawagin na natin isa-isa tapos start na natin to. Our 7 wishes. Get ready. First wishes, itong wishes kids, kailangan long wish. Mahabang wish day. Check, kapag hindi mahaba yung wish, walang giveaways. Ready? Sophia.
Happy birthday, Jen. Sana mabuti kang mabuti kang lumaki. Totoo yan! Yan! Happy birthday, Jen. Sana mabuti ka na.
Kaya mo
Mabuti
yan.
kang bata.
Kaya naman. Palagpakan po natin si Ate Sophia. Kung hindi ba tayo sana, lumaki ka na. Okay, thank you, sabi ni Sophia. Thank you so much. Next, we have Kuya. Yes, it's that you. What's your name again? Okay, so your message for Cheng Cheng. Birthday wish. Dito ka rin yung tasalita ko. Say happy birthday. Say happy birthday. Sabihin mo, Mama. Thank you so much, everybody. Clap your hands. Palapakan natin si Kuya. Thank you. Dito muna kayo, no? Come on, Kuya, come here and picture take it together with Check Check. Picture natin. Thank you so much. And look at the camera and big smile. Thank you. And next we have Arkisha. Arkisha. Ready. Ikaw na. Arkisha. Thank you so much. Magandang breaking wish. Ingat ka palagi. Cheng Cheng. Get ready. We have Ate Step. Ito na Ate Step. Solemn wish. Dito ka, mawawala ka ba?
Happy birthday, Cheng! Charot, hindi. Okay. So, happy birthday, Cheng. Cheng, sana kayo ang malusog. Malusog mo yung pangangatawan at maging mabuting bata. And palaging sumunod ka sa payo ng mga magulang mo o sa gabay ng magulang mo. Sana maabot mo yung pangarap mo. Ano ba yung gusto mong maging? Basta, yun na yun. Kung ano man yung pangarap mo, sana matupad mo sa future mo. And, ayun, palagi lang mag-thank you kay Lord and sana enjoyin mo yung pag-aaral mo habang bata ka mo. And happy birthday sa'yo, Chen Chen.
Thank you so much, Ate Steph, na napakitang birthday wish para kay Cheng. Actually, si Cheng, sabi niya, gusto niya na balik na damit niya. Naiinig na siya sa damit. Okay, balik na daw yung spider. Very good. Get ready. Next, we have Ate Kat-Kat. Where's Ate Kat-Kat? Ay, pala si Ate. Thank you so much, Ate. Get ready.
Happy birthday, Cheng. Stay healthy and bright. Yun lang. At sana nabili mo lang itong Spider-Man sa mundo.
Everybody clap.
Hey, ano sasabihin mo ila Ate? Okay, thank you so much. Next, we have Ate Janine. Okay, yes, si Ate Janine. Get ready.
Ayun, happy birthday, Cheng. Sana, manatili kang masayang bata. Mag-respeto sa magulang at sa mga nakatanda sa'yo. Mag-aral kang mabuti and happy birthday.
Clap your hands together. Pampagana. Thank you so much. And last 7 wishes, we have Car. Come on, Car. Say, I love you. Yeah, thank you so much. And picture taking. Bigyan mo na natin ng piano. Eto na, get ready. Continue with the team of 7. We have 7 blue bills. Blue bills talaga ito. Makakabawi na tayo dito, Cheng. Get ready. Good luck. Please lang to, guys. Get ready. Tawagin na natin. Jacob. First Jacob, our first bill. Nasaan po si Jacob? Nandito ba? First bills. Get ready. Wala si Jacob, sir? Wala si Jacob. And next na natin. Get ready. Next we have Ate Margaret. Yes, first, Ate Margaret, thank you so much. Our first bills. Ready. Hello, birthday wish? Okay, o sige, ikaw na naman birthday wish. Masarap yung pagkain. Masarap kanina pagkain. Okay.
Sana lang makita ng maayos at maayos na
Thank you. And next bills we have Ate Alex. Where's Ate Alex? Please stand up. You can appear on stage. Get ready and message for Cheng. Here we go. Next bills. Nasaan po siya? Oh, come on, Super Mario. Come here.
Alex.
Okay, wow. Super Mario. Come on, come here. Don't scared. Tumatakot ito ako. Tumatakot ka na doon. Pwede mo na sa pagkain. Ako lang. Okay, come on. Bigay mo na lang yung bills kay Ate Cheng. Ready? Ano sasabihin? Oh, ma'am, ito na naman. Birthday wish ko.
birthday wish. Sana lumaki kang dalaga. Saka mabait na bata. Lagi sumunod si mami tsaka si daddy. Mag-aral mabuti. Happy birthday.
Yun, may ilaw na. Thank you so much. Get ready. Thank you so much, Ate Alex. And next we have Calix. Nandito pa si Calix. May call on Calix. Please stand up. Yes, asa si Calix? Wala po ba? Asa ba? Is that you, Calix? Statue! 首相啊，张继伟啊，跟着我做嘞，跟着我做吧你，做。
Kay, ano, Bengay.
What's your birthday wish for? Cheng. What's your birthday wish? Birthday wish. Say happy birthday. Happy birthday. I love you. Okay, thank you. Video taking. Here we go. Come on, Alex. Picture taking together with Cheng. Okay? Look at the camera. Big smile. You look there. Look there. Look at the camera. There. Yes. Come on, smile. Thank you so much. Tung sabur. Bigay na natin. Ready? Once again, thank you so much, Calix. And next, we have Nino Paulo. Our next guest. Nasa si Nino Paulo? So actually, guys, Stay lang muna tayo dito guys, no? So, ipapablow pa natin yung candle ni Cheng Cheng. And of course, gusto ko lahat kayo kakanta. Inaantok na si Cheng Cheng. Ito na, pinaka-last part na yung roses. Ayun ang pinaka-inaantay na. Nandito ba si Ninong Paulo? Okay, Ninong Paulo, may I call on? Dito na po, our next boss. Here we go. Say happy birthday, Cheng Cheng! Asan nyo? Happy birthday, Cheng Cheng! I can hear you, all the kids. Everybody shout happy birthday, Cheng Cheng!
Happy birthday, Cheng Cheng!
You very good. Narinig na ng mga kapitbahay. Get ready. Ninong Paulo, may I call on? Here we go. Habang inaantay natin si Ninong Paulo. Dito na po ba, sir? Ninong Paulo? Yes, Ninong Paulo can hear our next speech. Thank you so much. And your message for Cheng Cheng. Here we go, Ninong Paulo. Nasaan na po siya, sir? Okay. Here we go. Ninong Paulo po, Ninong Paulo. Okay, wish lang po, birthday wish lang po. Okay. Yes. Okay, so everybody clap your hands. Palakpakan natin si Ninong Paulo. Thank you so much. Ninong Paulo, birthday wish lang po para kay Cheng Cheng. Get ready.
Sana lumaki ka na maayos and
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much, Ninong Paulo, sa ating Blue Bills. Thank you. Get ready. And last bills, we have Ninang Bain. Okay, tama po ba si Ninang Bain? Yes, si Ninang Bain, our next Blue Bills. Ito, Blue Bills, say higher, 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 higher. Ito, Blue Bills, ready.
Hi, Cheng. Happy birthday. Sana maging bait ka bata. Maras susunod ka sa mama mo. Yun lang po.
Everybody clap your hands. Thank you.
Yes, ito na. Ito na ang pinaka-inaantay ni Cheng Cheng. Ready ka na, Cheng? Opo, so roses na, roses, okay? Sasayaw ka ng mga lalaki, hindi babae, okay? Mga lalaki, right? Oh, get ready. Continue with the team of 7. We have 7 roses. Nasaan po yung mga roses, Mami? Ihandaan na po natin. Nasaan po yung mga roses na Cheng Cheng? May I call on Mami? Mami Marian Rivera? Mami Marian! Mami Marian! Where's roses? Okay, labas na po natin yung roses, Mami. Get ready. Start na natin.
Gusto mo itigil kayo kung makulit. Kinikilig mo ba ito pa ba? Bababa pa. Sino lahat gawin na na. Hanggang magaling ko yung ginawa. Puro kami maangas pag makita sa labas. Manuwag lahat papulit.
She gon' keep up. Ain't gonna come clean up. That my man want.
Love it when you walk that way. Baby, you a star now. Love it when you walk that way. Make a mess on you, talk down. Love it when you walk that way. Baby, you a star now. Love it when you walk that way. So listen when you talk. Love it when you walk. Take a trip to your birthday.
Yes, ready na po ba, Mami? Nabigay na po ba natin ang roses? Thank you so much. Get ready. Everybody say hi. Now they're all together. Everybody say hi. Sino ba gusto ng prize task kamay?
Wala pang pala.
Colleagues,
Nagpapalaro.
later na.
Anong palaro?
Later na, okay? Get ready. Continue with the team of 7. We have 7 roses. Tawagin na natin. Huwag na natin patagalin. Get ready. First roses. Okay, get ready. Let's start with 7 roses. First roses. Please welcome. Bigyan natin ng malakas na palakpakan. Tito Kim. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Palakpakan po natin, Sir William. And next, please welcome, let's all, along with applause, Carl. Let's go, Carl. Bato-bato po kayo ni Cheng Cheng. Here we go. Next roses. Clap your hands together for Carl. Wow, Carl, thank you so much. And now, next, ma'am, we have Ariel. Clap your hands for Ariel. Here you go. Parang niyakap sa multo. Everybody clap your hands. Palakpakan natin si Kuya. And next, we have Ninong Aldrin. Palakpakan po natin. Here we go.
Si Alex muna. Palitan muna, wala pa. Si Alex muna. Nasa loob pa eh.
So later, tawagin ulit natin si Ninong Aldrin. Eto na. Please next, we have, please handsome, the handsome boy. Everybody clap your hands for Calix. That's right, Calix. Everybody clap your hands for Calix. Baka mapilaya daw. Next, we have Kuya AJ. Clap your hands.